Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to straighten shooting angle in iPhone. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and like this video before we get into this tutorial. So all you have to do is choose a photo you want to straighten, the horizon off, click on edit at the top. And after this, you're going to choose crop. And as you can see, this is the straighten button. So if your photo is not straight, and for example, something like this, you can actually um, do edit it like this, as you can see, and it straightens the photo. So this is basically it. That's how you do it. You may also see a auto button, but for this photo specifically, it's not here. So yeah, guys, if this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.